So today, as you can tell, I am gonna be working on my typewriter again. So this morning, I added another layer of white paint, which I think is actually enough. Because as you can see, it definitely sticks out from all the other ones. So I think I could start painting whatever I'm gonna start painting. So, I may or may not be getting lost in my own world. So I gotta figure out what I'm gonna paint. Should I paint a flower? Because it's like my first one. Well, I should do something that has to do with the letter V. Vichy. I don't know what that means. Is there any animals? Violent gecko. Violet. Okay. So, we gotta paint the background, because I know the background's white, but we have to paint it another layer of paint. So, let's see. Let's do blue. I don't know what color I'm going to be painting. I don't know what I'm going to paint yet. I'm just looking around my house. I think I'm going to paint a flower. That's great. So first we're going to paint the background blue. So you guys will have to wait again. Don't you love waiting? I know I do. You guys will just have to wait like an hour, which isn't that much time. Ooh. I almost painted the space bar. I think I accidentally did. Yeah, I did, but like only the tiniest little bit. I forgot to clean off the key, so it's a bit gross, but it's fine. I don't really care. I mean, other people might care, but I don't, so whatever floats my boat, haha. Okay. Don't mind my dog. She just has to realize that she's not a cat and she has to get off of the bed. It's like not working. Okay. So I might have to do another layer of blue, but right now it actually looks good from far away. But I'm very happy and I'm very excited to do this because I have always wanted to do this. Pete really does not want to work. Not gonna lie. What does Pete come with? That's my question. Is it this one? No. Then what does it? I am so confused. What is the other one? Okay, that's not it, obviously. Is it K, M, shift, N, I don't know. I'm gonna go wash off my brush. Don't mind the messy table. It's where my dad works. So there's a lot of papers there. Nice and clean now. I'm painting it.
I don't understand why you're painting it. You're not gonna be able to know what key is what.
I'm gonna write the V on it. Like I'm gonna like for this one, it says V. I'm gonna write like it in black.
Did you take a picture of it in case you forget?
I won't. And it's broken. It's broken. It doesn't work.
Oh, you just messing around?
Yeah.
Why are you doing it?
Just for fun.
Why do you keep it? Just get rid of it.
I don't know. Maddie wants to keep it because it's an old vintage.
You okay with you painting it?
Yeah, she said that she is fine with it. Did you just say what they were gonna say?
No.
Oh, embrace the tracking order?
What?
Never mind. So I have to search up what I'm gonna paint because I don't know what I'm gonna paint. And I need so many ideas. Like, how many letters are there in the alphabet? And then I also need shift and space and these random keys, like these ones. So don't they smell okay? But yeah, my dad's, what he's worried about is like if I forget what keys are which. But it's broken, so I can't use it. So yeah. And my sister did let me paint it. She gave it to me to paint. Like that's the reason well no. She gave it to me because I said I want a typewriter or something to paint. And she was like, you can use mine. You could have one of mine because she has 4 typewriters, but now 3. But she has 4. And 2 of them are broken. I don't know. I'm gonna I'm pretty tired. It's a rainy day, so it like feels like yawn time. You know, I'll grab 2 just in case. These are pre-moisture lens cleaners, but you know, we could use them for this. So we're just gonna rip this. Quirky, I'm kidding, obviously. So we're not gonna like wash off any of the keys. I'm just gonna like wash off like the top, like the main area, if you know what I mean. Yeah, this isn't helping one tiny bit, but it's fine. We'll definitely get it with something better when I'm actually going to be painting it. But for now, since I'm not painting it yet. This is the boring part. It's obviously coming off a bit though, because you could see the dirt, so. Okay, it's coming off a tiny bit. So this, I guess, is called President. I don't know why. This is from like a long time ago. This is a very old vintage typewriter, and my sister was like, I'm not gonna use it because it's broken, and there's no hope in saving it because it's so old, and like it's, so she has the other one which there's actually hope in saving it. She's trying to save it, but this one she like couldn't because it's so old. I hope you guys can actually hear me. But yeah, so she's trying to fix the other one, and this one's like super miniature and very cute, and she was like, you could just use it. Where's the aesthetic of your room? And I was like, sure, whatever. But then I was like, I want to paint, so I'm gonna get copyrighted. So that's fun. Here, let's cover this. Okay, I'll just